What's going on, everybody? It's Will Butter here. I am on my way to JK18's house to pick up the White Westinghouse dehumidifier, which is, I forget. I have to look at it. I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to drop it off to a friend of mine who needs a dehumidifier. And we'll see when we get there. We'll say hello to Jay. And we'll do it from there. Alrighty then. And I am here. Yep. And I'm just making sure the dehumidifier is working as it should. And then I'm gonna take it from here, and there he is, and this is exciting.
Cold. Starting to get cold.
Starting to get a little bit warm on the sides, just like it should. Normal. Quiet.
Yeah, that quiet is just too quiet.
Yeah. But it's better. But it's better than no noise at all.
Yeah. Coils are definitely cold over here.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, and even sweaty.
Yep. They even have like that thin white layer of frost on them.
Yep. When you first. Now, folks, will you see that on today's dehumidifiers?
No, they have stupid plastic covers over it.
Exactly.
They won't let you see that because it doesn't happen.
Nope. Even though our Frederick dehumidifier is working so far, and it's got the automatic drainage. Well,
yeah, that's pretty amazing.
Yeah. And according to Fedder's Air Dude, it's built by LG, unfortunately. Lousy garbage.
Yep.
Which so now I know in a few years it's gonna fail.
But yeah, it's definitely working. So probably run for 20, 30 more years.
Yep. Guarantee it. Alright, so I'm gonna just load her up in the trunk, and then I'll make another video of it in its new home. Yep, on my own channel.
This is got his camera there. And we did a quick modification on it.
We just bypassed
Cable tied that to its connector. And now, of course, it just needs something under it and has to be watched to make sure that it doesn't overflow.
And I'll be making another video once this unit is in the new home, and we'll go from there. And this is his new home. It's rattling a little bit. And it's already making condensation. have it plugged into this major appliance extension cord. No heat. Perfect. Well, I'm very glad I found a new home for this dehumidifier. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit subscribe.